Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Oppo A5 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set face unlock for Oppo A5 smartphone. Here I haven't set any other security options like pattern or passcode or fingerprint. If you haven't set anything like me, then you should first set pattern or passcode. Without pattern or passcode, you cannot set face unlock. That means face unlock is less security than pattern or passcode. So you cannot directly use face unlock. While setting up face unlock, the phone itself will ask you to set pattern or passcode. Suppose if you have already set pattern or passcode, then phone will ask you to verify that code. So for setting up face unlock, first go to the settings and scroll down. And you will find fingerprint, face and passcode. Just click on it. And here you have fingerprint, face and other options. Lock screen, privacy, passcode. Nothing is set here. So you should set first pattern. So click face and click on enroll face and it will ask you to set passcode. There are other options too. Just you can click other encryption methods and here you have pattern code, 4-digit numeric passcode, 4 to 16-digit numeric passcode, 4 to 16-digit alphanumeric passcode. So for security reason, first I want to set 4-digit numeric passcode. Just I am giving 2525 as my passcode. You can set it your own and verify it. And now only you can enroll your face. Now click continue for recording your face. Yes, your face will be recording. Yes, it is enrolled and click on use face for. You have screen lock, app lock and private safe. Just enable screen lock for unlocking your smartphone with your face. Now check whether face unlock is working or not. Just go on locking your phone, that is put screen lock and again press power button for unlocking your screen and your face will be recognized and yes, it's unlocked and you have to swipe up to open the screen. Again I am standing in front of this phone, so it's unlocked. Now I want to check it with others, that is I have moved away from the front camera and it's not unlocking. It says face does not match. Again I am coming in front of camera. Yes, it's unlocked. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.